Basic information regarding an affiliate program and all that it is about. Even with the popularity, there are still many in the internet community that really don't know what affiliate marketing is. Plus, those that do know of affiliate marketing oftentimes do not fully understand it. The internet industry has had affiliate marketing or affiliate program for a while now, and it is a very popular business model for generating income online. It allows you to get products together quickly for your new online business quickly and cheaply. Success with affiliate marketing is not easy and just does not happen overnight. It is like most online activities, it takes persistence and variety. You will need to develop and try different strategies to find those that work. It may take signing up for several different affiliate programs before finding one that performs well for you. Everyone will take time and effort on your part. Often expectations are high when starting out. Most think to make more they need to place affiliate banners all over their site, but this usually does not work the way they think it will. Too many banners will make a website look like a link farm with little value to visitors. Most visitors will not be interested, will not click on your banners, and will leave quickly. Mentors have been there and have the ability to guide you in order to increase your sales. Their experience and knowledge will help you generate more income. To promote affiliate products on your website, they need to match the theme of your website. You need products that match the niche of your website so your visitors will have interest in them. Banners that you do place on your website should blend in well with the design. Experienced affiliate marketers understand how the business works and can speed up your path to success by passing on some hard-learned truths of the business. Affiliate marketing requires a proficiency in several things, including link exchanging, developing newsletter marketing, forum advertising, search engine optimization, and a mentor can ease the learning curve. They can assist you in getting a clearer picture of what it takes. Any affiliate marketing mentor should have already achieved success in the business, and they can pass on their experiences to improve your chances for success. To achieve success in affiliate marketing, become effective, efficient, and have a mentor there to help you along the way. Most that are new to affiliate marketing just assume that they are going to create big bucks in just a short amount of time, but they are wrong. There are always new and very important things for you to learn when it comes to any affiliate program, so keep your eyes open for any new things surfacing that you should be aware of. Anyone out there can achieve their dreams as long as they remain focused and in control at all times, knowing exactly what needs to be completed to reach all of the goals. Just go for it, stop letting time pass you by being unhappy with your career. Find out more about what an affiliate program can do for you. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe and like. For more information, please visit the link below.